Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making whole wheat dinner rolls. First thing we do is add 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Then 1 tablespoon and a half quick yeast. If you are using active dry yeast and warm milk, the milk has to warm to a temperature at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. But because I'm using quick yeast and cold milk, I have to go ahead. And now I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. A teaspoon of salt. A 1.25 cups milk. Quarter cup of melted butter. Crack 1 egg. So now I have a stand mixer. I'm gonna mix my dough. Get the hook. We're gonna use the hook today. We're gonna start in the mixing process. So while doing that, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of flour. More. And let it mix. If it's too dry, add a little bit more milk. The dough should be pulling away from the side, like that, like that. Now I'm going to stop the machine and place my dough in a grease bowl for half an hour. Put some plastic wrap over it and let it rest for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna oil my baking sheet. And I'm gonna put some parchment paper on it to get it set up for my roll. Get it set up for my rolls. After 30 minutes, check on my dough. Punch down my dough. I'm gonna get some flour. Get my dough out. Now I need 20 pieces of rolls out of this. Okay, my dough weighs 2.5 pounds, so I need 20 pieces out of that. So each piece of roll is gonna be 2 ounces. Now I got my 20 pieces and I'm gonna start rolling. Now I have finished rolling out my rolls, and I'm gonna get ready for the second rise. Put plastic wrap over it. I'm getting ready for the second rise. It's gonna be half an hour. Okay, it's half an hour now, and I'm gonna, okay, looking good. So I'm gonna take the plastic off and prepare to bake. So I'm gonna put my rolls in the oven at 375 for 18 minutes. So it's 18 minutes now, and I'm gonna take my rolls from the oven. Now I'm gonna add some melted butter on them.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, man, look at that. I'm gonna let it cool off now, and I'll be back. So this is my whole wheat rolls. I hope you have learned something. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.